We all need water to survive. Unfortunately, not all water is safe, and drinking dirty, contaminated water can make us sick from waterborne illnesses. So, how can we be sure the water we're drinking is safe? Well, the water can go through a filtration process to remove disease-carrying organisms and other contaminants. But in order to carry this out, you need a filter that's right for the job. One that's easy to set up, simple to operate, cost-efficient, long-lasting, and tough enough to get the job done. That's where a SkyHydrant ultrafiltration system can help. You see, it's not just a water filter, but also a complete water supply solution. Weighing just 18 kilograms, it's small enough to be easily transported, yet powerful enough to produce 10,000 litres of drinking water per day. That's enough water for 500 people. It lasts for years without ever needing replacement of the internal filter module due to its world-patented cleaning system. There's virtually no running cost, apart from the initial capital expenditure, and that's minimal considering the volume of water produced by the SkyHydrant for the life of the unit. It requires no power to operate and runs on just 2-metre waterhead pressure. The SkyHydrant can be used for many applications, including supplying water for communities, schools, hospitals, health clinics, emergency water supplies, farms, properties and households, pre-treatment water. It's easy to set up. First, connect the pipe from a raw water source to the SkyHydrant inlet. Various raw water sources can be used, such as from an upstream water hole where simple gravity flow is used to move the raw water to the SkyHydrant. You can also use an elevated header tank to provide gravity flow, such as one located on a take stand. Elevated tanks will, however, require a pump to move the raw water up to the tank, and solar pumping can be a good option for this. Header tanks can also be located on rooftops of buildings or on naturally occurring elevated land. Raw water can also be pumped to the SkyHydrant directly. This option is more suited for short-term duration, such as disaster response, where emergency pump kits can be used. After connecting piping for raw water to the inlet side of the SkyHydrant, the outlet side is connected with piping for clean water to flow into drinking water tanks. From these tanks, drinking water can flow to where it's needed, for example, a tap stand, to houses, schools, health clinics, hospitals, and wherever else clean drinking water is needed. In disaster situations, the SkyHydrant can also supply emergency water into bladders for use with tap stands, or for trucking in tankers to multiple locations on short notice. And when extra volume is required, multiple SkyHydrants can simply be manifolded together to provide bulk drinking water solutions. So, now you can see what the SkyHydrant can do, but exactly how does it work? Simply put, dirty water flow in one end and clean drinking water comes out the other end. But it's not magic. Inside the SkyHydrant are thousands of tiny, hollow ultrafiltration fibres containing billions of microscopic pores, which sieve out contaminants from dirty water. Water migrates from the outside to the inside of the tiny hollow fibres, trapping contaminants in the process, and therefore allowing only clean water to pass through. Because this happens at a microscopic level, disease-carrying organisms and other contaminants are simply left behind. During the filtration process, contaminants build up inside the SkyHydrant and need to be flushed out from time to keep the system running. So at least once a day, a simple backwash process is undertaken. It only takes a minute, but leaves the SkyHydrant clean and fresh again. Handles on top of the SkyHydrant are moved back and forth like a washing machine agitation. This rotates the internal filter fibres, flicking off contaminants and flushing them out through the bottom of the SkyHydrant. It's really that simple, and anyone can do it. After cleaning, the SkyHydrant resumes normal filtration again. So the SkyHydrant really is a complete water supply solution. It's simple to set up, easy to use, cost-effective, and supplies large volumes of safe drinking water for a multitude of applications. When you think about it, it's the ideal choice for protecting you and your family, plus your entire community, from unclean water now and into the future. And with thousands of SkyHydrant systems installed and operating in over 60 countries worldwide, running continuously year in and year out in all types of applications, you can be sure the water you drink will be safe. So why not talk to us now about how a SkyHydrant water solution can be the right choice for you?